Hey guys, welcome to our channel where tech comes easy. Today we're doing something different. We're rebringing you the first video in our series of beginner guides to help you navigate the world of technology. And today we're starting with mobile broadband internet in Canada. So whether you looking to get on the grid for the first time, or you just feeling a little lost in the world of gigabits and megabits per second, this guide is for you. So let's dive in. First things first, what actually is mobile broadband? Well, put simply, mobile broadband is high-speed internet that you can access wirelessly using cellular networks just like your smartphone does. But instead of just making calls or texting, it lets your laptop, tablet, or other devices connect to the internet anywhere there's mobile coverage. And here's a quick fun fact. Did you know that mobile broadband has been around since the early 2000s? Back then, it was mostly used for email and basic web browsing. But today, it's the backbone of everything from social media to streaming. Now that we know what mobile broadband is, let's talk about how it actually works. Well, mobile broadband runs on the same networks as your phone: 3G, 4G, LTE, and now 5G. The faster the network, the better your internet speed. Now there are a few key technologies that make mobile broadband tick. First, SIM cards or eSIMs. These little guys connect your device to a mobile carrier. Then there are mobile hotspots, or small devices that create a Wi-Fi signal using cellular data. USB modems that plug into your laptop for direct access, and built-in LTE modules that some laptops and tablets have built in. Now that we know how it works, let's take a look at who offers mobile broadband in Canada. In Canada, the major mobile broadband providers are Bell Mobility, Rogers Wireless, TELUS Mobility, Freedom Mobile in select areas, and Fido, Koodo, and Virgin Plus, which are subsidiaries of the big three. Now the good news is that these providers offer data-only plans for tablets, hotspots, and laptops, so you don't have to worry about getting a voice plan if you do need one. You can also use prepaid or postpaid options, depending on your needs. Prepaid plans are great if you need short-term coverage, or if you're not comfortable committing to a long-term contract. Postpaid plans are a good choice if you need more flexibility, and you prefer to pay your bill at the end of each month. Alright, we've covered what mobile broadband is, how it works, and who offers it in Canada. Now let's talk about cost. How much does it actually cost to get mobile broadband? Well, prices vary depending on how much data you need. Here's a quick breakdown. Low usage, 1 to 5 gigabytes per month, $15 to $30 Canadian dollars. Moderate usage, 10 to 20 gigabytes per month, $35 to $60 Canadian dollars. And heavy usage, 50 plus GB per month, $70 to $100 plus Canadian dollars. Now some plans offer unlimited data with speed throttling after a certain limit. So always check the fine print before signing up. We've covered what mobile broadband is, how it works, who offers it in Canada, and how much it costs. Now let's talk about what you need to get started. To get mobile broadband, you need a compatible device such as a laptop, tablet, or mobile hotspot, a SIM card or eSIM from your chosen provider, a data plan, prepaid or postpaid, and optional, a mobile hotspot device if you want to connect multiple devices. Installation is simple. Insert the SIM card or scan the eSIM QR code. Activate your plan online or via app and connect your device to the network, and you're done. Now that you know what you need, let's take a look at the mobile cloud infrastructure and platform. Mobile broadband is part of a bigger ecosystem called the mobile cloud. This includes infrastructure like cell towers, satellites, and data centers. The platform apps and services that manage your connection, and cloud services like storage, streaming, and communication tools you access online. All of this works together to give you fast, reliable internet anywhere. Let's talk about security, VPNs, and communication protocols. Security is super important when using mobile broadband. So here's how to stay safe. Use a VPN or virtual private network. Encrypts your data and hides your location. Enable firewalls on your devices. Use HTTPS websites for secure browsing, and avoid public Wi-Fi when possible. Now, common protocols used are LTE 5G encryption, IPsec and SSL, TLS4, VPNs, and WPA3 for Wi-Fi security. Now let's see how to set up a secure network at home, school, or work. Want to use mobile broadband as your main internet at home, school, or work? Here's how to do it. Get a mobile router or hotspot with a strong signal. Place it near a window for better reception. Connect your devices via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Set a strong password. and enable WPA3 security. Use a VPN for added protection. Monitor your data usage to avoid overage fees and for organizations or universities. Use enterprise-grade VPNs, set up firewalls and access controls, and use cloud-based collaboration tools like Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. We've covered quite a bit already, but here's a quick checklist to help first-time users get started. Choose a provider with good coverage in your area. Pick a plan that fits your data needs. Use a VPN for security. Set up your device or hotspot and enjoy internet on the go securely. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to mobile broadband internet in Canada. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, remember that tech comes easy.